Hey, why don't you grab a cup of coffee, cup of tea? We're going to talk disaster prep. During a disaster, your home could suffer damage and your place of work could be closed for weeks or even months. There's no way to make this easy, but if you do a couple things to get things like insurance and other financials in order, it can make the disaster recovery process smoother. So before disaster even strikes, you want to make sure that your insurance coverage is up to date and that you have photos of the things in your home that you may want to replace. That way, after a disaster, you can more easily file a claim. It's a good idea to store information about bank accounts and loans so you can easily make payments and communicate with lenders. You're going to want to store this somewhere you can really easily access it. If possible, sign up for direct deposits of your paychecks and make sure you're automatically enrolled to receive any federal benefits. That way, if you can't check your mailbox for whatever reason, maybe you're displaced or maybe the mail isn't being delivered, you can still have some income and get paid. Having some cash on hand is also important because banks may be closed and ATMs may not be working after a disaster. If your finances allow it, keep an emergency savings fund so then you have a cushion if you're out of work or if there's any other things related to the emergency that you need to purchase and you need some savings for. But in general, living through disaster is bound to be disruptive and not fun. But there is still some preparation that you can do to make sure that things are a little bit less stressful, at least on the money side after a disaster. Anyway, cheers.